As we now come to the close of this meaningful celebration of the 120th Philippine Flag Day, may the lessons of history continue to inspire us to become responsible, united, and patriotic Filipinos.
Today's ceremony reminds us that our flag is more than a national symbol. It embodies the courage of our heroes, the sacrifices of those who came before us, and the hopes and aspirations of every Filipino for a brighter time.
May we carry the spirit of patriotism beyond this occasion by serving our communities with integrity, compassion, and a deep love for our country.
On behalf of the organizers, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our distinguished guests, officials, participants, and attendees for making this celebration a success.
Thank you for joining us in honoring our nation and its enduring symbol of freedom.
May God bless Sipalay City and may God bless the Republic of the Philippines. Mabuhay ang watawat ng Pilipinas at mabuhay ang sambayan ng Pilipino.
This has been your host, Sir Virgilio Himulala Jr.
And Mary Jane Alborque Villanueva.